So this car was making a bearing noise for a long time. He said he thought it was a water pump because the water pump was also leaking. And eventually drove it too long and the car shut off on him. And this is what we found. You can see here on the intake side, those marks on the piston. Every single piston has those marks on it. And some of them on the exhaust side too. It's got little tiny marks on the exhaust side. Like maybe those touched. And anyway, if you wait too long, if you have a timing belt problem and you wait too long, this is what can happen. Every single intake valve has been open. This engine, when I put a new timing belt on it and fixed it and tried to crank it over, it had no compression at all, zero compression on all 4 cylinders. And you can see here I got the camshaft out, so there's no pressure on any of these valve springs at all. And what we're looking at, all 8 intake valves are severely bent. This is at ease. Look at the gap on that. So there's no way you could build any compression. The exhaust valves are all seated, so they must not have hit. Those little marks must have barely just tapped the piston, but these intake valves are all severely bent. So if you hear your timing belt area make a noise, fix it before you end up like this and get a big bill.